Welcome to Product Critique. In today's video, we're bringing you the ultimate solution for spooky ambiance, hands down the best Halloween lanterns, the Reperla 12-pack mini lanterns. These black tea light lanterns are battery-operated, flameless, and designed to turn your festive space into a glowing spectacle of light and shadow. Whether you're throwing a Halloween bash, decorating for Ramadan or Eid, or styling your wedding centerpiece, these little lanterns deliver big on charm and versatility. Let's dive into the details. First off, the design. Each lantern stands at just 5 inches tall, making them the perfect compact addition to any table setup, windowsill, or even to hang around your porch. Despite their small size, they pack a visual punch. With a sleek black exterior and real glass panes surrounded by a durable ABS plastic frame, these lanterns channel a vintage Moroccan vibe. That works beautifully across multiple decor styles, from medieval and Victorian, all the way to rustic farmhouse. A key upgrade in this model is the new grid design. It's not just for looks, it also gives added protection to the glass, which is a smart touch especially for those planning to use these outdoors or in lively party settings. The build feels sturdy in your hand, and yet it's lightweight enough to move around effortlessly. Now let's talk light. Inside each lantern is an LED tea light that flickers realistically. You get all the warm ambiance of a candle without any of the fire risk. This makes it ideal for indoor decorating, weddings with lots of fabric, or kid-friendly events where open flames are a big no-no. The flameless flicker creates magical shadow patterns that dance on your walls and tabletops, adding depth and drama to your display. One of the best parts, these lanterns come with batteries pre-installed. That's right, no last-minute store runs, no extra cost. Each one uses 3 LR44 button cell batteries, which are separated by a paper insert to keep them fresh until you're ready to use them. Once activated, you'll get over 6 full days of continuous lighting. And when it's time to swap the batteries, the process is super simple. Just pop them out and slide in new ones. Versatility is another big win here. They're perfect not just for Halloween, but also for Christmas, Easter, weddings, romantic date nights, or just everyday home decor. Use them on tables, line your walkway, hang them from branches, or arrange them on mantles. They'll fit in effortlessly. They're especially striking as a group centerpiece, offering symmetry and glow in equal measure. If you're planning a themed event, think Western, boho, or Moroccan. These mini lanterns add authenticity and atmosphere without blowing your budget. Plus, with 12 in a single pack, you have more than enough to fill a room or mix and match across multiple settings. In summary, the Reperla 12-pack mini lanterns are compact, beautifully designed, battery-powered, and built to last. They create a cozy, flickering glow that instantly elevates any decor. Whether you're decorating for a major holiday or just want to bring warmth into your everyday space, this set is a top-tier choice. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that notification bell for more smart product breakdowns. See you next time.